Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this exciting experience with ChatGPT. In this video, in this series of videos, we are showing you that how you can utilize ChatGPT guidelines. It is auto-generated and it is wonderful. It tells you how you can improve your channel performance, and it suggests automatically that what are the tags you should be using for your audience. Right? Since my audience are Excel, VBA, SAP GUI scripting, and tutorials, etc. So on the basis of this, the ChatGPT has provided me that the guideline that your text could be this. Right? So for the SAP GUI using Excel VBA, right? So what I do here, I use my a little bit functions of Excel, and that is going to be very helpful in placing the tags in the right videos, right? In the videos which we want, right? So let me get back to this. This is the tags, and I don't know where has it gone. The tags which I have been using was, they have just got disappeared. We have to search it. Please stay tuned with me. This is the thing. This is where we are searching it. So let me scroll it precisely so that it does not go away from my control. Right? So this is the one. So all we need to do is just copy this code, right? So this is for tag used on every video, right? But for SAT specific codes, we have to use the other one which was explained in here. It's a very good suggestion. Okay. One thing we can do is we search for the tags, say in the, let me, yeah, this one. These are the core tags, but we are interested in this one. This is for Excel VBA tutorials, and this is the core tag. Right? Core tags are the tags which we are supposed to use on every video, right? So what we are focusing is the code for SAP GUI scripting, the tags for SAP GUI scripting. So this one is the right one. Huh? This is for Hindi versions. We can use this one, right? Okay. So what we do here, we copy this code and we take it to our Excel sheet, which we have already developed, and we put it in here. We paste it. We paste it, Control V. So this gets pasted. The next thing we got to do is just copy this formula. So that embeds uses the comma delimiter. So that is required for tagging in the YouTube studio, right? So now we can copy this and we take it to the videos in which we were supposed to use it. Okay. So what we do, we copy it, Control C, and the next thing we do is we go to our studio. In the contents, we look for SAP, yeah, and we say show all, and the show all can add some more. Okay, that's fine. Title is a description. That's right. Okay. Okay. So we quickly start placing these tags in our videos. For example, let's go to as per the views. We sorted the views so that the more view is, it means it is more popular video. So why not put the right tag in here? For example, this one. Okay. So we go to this the description, the details of this, and in here, what we do, we insert a line, and what we do here is, okay, so the global tag have already been added. So we remove those tags. And we, in place of this, we put this tags, which we have copied. Right? So these are the tags which are related to this video, which is containing all these SAP GUI, scripting, and all the things like this. Okay, so this is the more appropriate to be included into the description, as well as sorry, we go to the see more and add the tags in there. So these are the tags. So what we do here, we remove all these bottom ones, first of all, and then we add the new ones. So this way you adjust the tagging, and then you can watch that what is the impact. And there has to be, we expect that what ChatGPT has recommended us, this is for sure going to work. So that's hopefully it's going to be very useful. So we remove some tags so that all the tags are accommodated within the limit of 500. So we have saved it. So we have saved it in part 2. Okay, now we do the same for some other videos, and that will increase, hopefully, our viewership. Our views will be improved, will be increased. So what we do here is we take another video. After this, we take this one. Okay, I think we have already used it. Let's take some one which is older one. Yeah, this one is okay. So we do the same exercise in here. We put a comma in the end, and then we paste our tags in here. These are our tags, and we go to the see more. In here we have that list of tags, right? So what we do here is we paste our new tags in here. If 6 key is exceeded a bit, okay, no problem. We will fine tune it. Okay, we will say we remove this, okay, and we remove this as well. We remove this as well. Okay. Uh, okay. So let's see how far are we from 500 mark? Just 6 away. Okay, let's remove one of this. I would prefer to move the ones which are older ones, right? Yeah, so this comes within 500, and then we save it. So this way we use Microsoft Excel sheet to put a comma between the tags, which is as necessary, and then we just copy it and paste into the relevant video's description, and tags are placed in there. So this way we take the help of Excel to do this job quickly. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.